Hey friends! Today we're going to draw some cool animals that are sure to amaze you. Let's start our drawing adventure. First, let's draw an elephant. An elephant is a big animal with wide ears and a long trunk. Isn't it fun to draw? Let's get started. Now it's time to color. Don't forget to use bright colors on the elephant's body to make it come alive. Next, let's draw a velociraptor. Here comes the fast and agile dinosaur. With its slim body and sharp claws, the velociraptor is going to be such a fun drawing. Now it's time to color. Choose colors that will make this dinosaur even cooler. Then, let's draw a lion, the king of the jungle with its magnificent mane. It's going to be so much fun drawing this majestic lion. Now let's color it. Use golden and brown shades for the mane to make it look even more regal. Next, let's draw a horse. A horse is a symbol of speed and strength. Draw it with passion because horses are so elegant. Now, it's coloring time. Color the horse's body with natural and bright colors to bring it to life. Now, let's draw a bear. The cute, lazy one, with a strong body and an adorable face. Drawing this bear will definitely make you smile. Now, let's color it. Use brown or white for the bear's body to make it even cuter. Next up, let's draw a Brachiosaurus. This giant dinosaur has a long neck that can reach tall trees. Just imagining drawing it is already so exciting. Now let's color it. Choose green or gray shades that suit this massive dinosaur. All our animal drawings are finished. Thanks for joining the fun drawing session today. See you in the next drawing video. Keep creating with excitement.